Good evening, everyone. Topic for today: electric field intensity. Using Gauss's theorem, electric field intensity near a charged shell. Right? This is the third application of Gauss's theorem. We will consider a uniformly charged shell and around it, inside on the surface and outside, we'll calculate the electric field using Gauss's law. So first of all, consider a shell. Shell, it's hollow, so charge can only reside with mass. So charge will be only its surface. And radius of the shell is r. So first of all, consider the surface charge density. The surface charge density is total charge upon total surface area, right? So that's sigma q upon 4 pi r square. This is the surface charge density. Now due to this charged surface, I have to find the electric field around it. So first of all, let me consider a point well outside the surface. Let this is small r and here r is greater than the radius. So point taken outside. So the surface element ds, electric field on this element, and apply the definition of flux. So flux through this small element and then integrating for all, it's flux E dot ds, right? As both are in the same direction, दोनों फील्ड या वो कंपोनेंट नॉर्मल वेक्टर एक ही डायरेक्शन में होने की वजह से we use EDS cos 0 स्केलर प्रोडक्ट cos 0 वैल्यू 1 लेके चलना है. So phi h e ds e come outside as it is constant. जब भी हम एक गॉसियन सरफेस चूज करेंगे विल टेक केयर उसके हर पॉइंट पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज assumed to be constant, right? At every point, electric field is uniform and constant. So EDS now by Gauss's law. So total flux Q upon epsilon 0. Put it, use it. So this Q by epsilon 0 E integration of ds. Right? Further, use the integration. This small area is ds. When we integrate, the complete area is 4 pi small r square, right? So q by epsilon 0 remain as it is E, and this surface area is 4 pi r square. Now r जहाँ हमने ये surface element लिया था, right now I am using small r, radius which is greater than the capital R, actual radius of the shell. ठीक बेटा? So in that case you can find E. It's take it to the other side. It's q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 small r square, right? So this is E, it's a small kq by r square. May I write S for the surface? This is number 2, mark it number 1, right? So kq by r square. This result you can compare with that a total charge concentrated on the center. अगर ये सारा चार्ज सरफेस पे ना होके टोटल सेंटर पे पड़ा होता तो पॉइंट चार्ज की वजह से इस जगह पे फील्ड जो आती वो इसी तरह से आती. सो दिस कैन बी कंपेरेबल एज द टोटल चार्ज प्लेस्ड एट द सेंटर ऑफ द स्फेरिकल शेल, राइट? नाउ लेट मी चेंज, गो फॉर ए स्पेशल केस. if we take this point of observation on the surface, if small r is capital R taken to be, in that case E, it was outside. Let me take this one surface. So this would be kq by capital R square. This can be written as q upon 4 pi r square epsilon 0, and this would be sigma by epsilon 0. So for the shell, if it is on the surface, then the result is sigma by epsilon 0. You did remember हमने एक प्लेट के लिए, एक प्लेनर सरफेस के लिए प्रीवियस पार्ट नंबर 6 जो वीडियो था उसमें डिराइव किया था सिग्मा by 2 epsilon 0. But for a 3-dimensional body, it would be sigma by epsilon 0. That's a general result. For a charged body near it, ये जो सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन 0 लिया जाता है, उसके लिए ध्यान क्या रखना होता है, ये जो पॉइंट है ये सरफेस के आसपास हो. Right now I am considering just on the surface, just outside, taken to be r equal to r, right? Sigma by epsilon 0. This is for the surface. Now, if I consider another point, it is on inside, right? If a point is well inside, then for this surface, put it back. If r is less than capital R, point is well inside. Now look at the part. Actual charge is outside, whereas the Gaussian surface in real. ये जो surface मैंने बनाई dotted, ये third case के लिए जब radius अंदर ले गया मैं, तो उसके अंदर कोई भी charge enclosed नहीं है. So जब कोई भी charge enclosed नहीं है, तो this q would be 0. Here, when I am using this q by epsilon 0, this would be 0. So in that case, E inside would be 0, right? So I can conclude that कि किसी भी चार्ज शेल के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 होगी by the Gaussian. So these are the 3 results. One, well outside. Second, on the surface. And third is the outside part. Right, my dear? ये रिजल्ट किसी न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट के लिए, कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए यूटिलाइज किया जा सकता है. इस रिजल्ट को हम इन जनरल फॉर ए सॉलिड बॉडी, 3 बॉडीज के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Right? Let me go for this. In general, this is for conceptual approach. इसी रिजल्ट को हम यूटिलाइज करेंगे. Now, if I am considering a shell, one. Second, I am considering a hollow, non-conducting shell. Third, I am considering a conducting sphere. Right? First, it is conducting shell. Second, it is non-conducting shell. And third, it is conducting sphere. Right? If it is conducting shell, but obvious charge सिर्फ surface पे रहेगा. जब अंदर कोई मास ही नहीं है, कुछ है ही नहीं, तो चार्ज भी नहीं हो सकता. नॉन कंडक्टिंग शेल फिर से वही शेल है, इसके भी सरफेस पे चार्ज रहेगा और इसके अंदर फिर से कोई चार्ज नहीं है. Now in third case, although it is conducting sphere, it's a solid sphere, इसके अंदर मास है, but by the nature of conductor, charge only resides on the surface. जो दो चार्जेस हैं कंडक्टर के रिपेल होके सरफेस पे आ जाएंगे, इस वजह से रह सकता है बट रहता नहीं है. फॉर ए कंडक्टर चार्ज फ्लोज बिल्कुल एंड पे आ जाएगा, सो इसके अंदर. सो इन तीनों में E inside would be 0. E inside would be 0. E inside would be 0. जो रिजल्ट हमने अभी डिराइव किया, इन 3 केसेस पे सिमेट्रिकली अप्लाई होता है. इट कैन नॉट बी अप्लाई टू ए नॉन कंडक्टिंग स्फीयर. उसको हम अगले वीडियो में लेके जाएंगे. इसको हम अप्लाई करेंगे इन तीनों केसेस के लिए. राइट? देन E on the surface you can use sigma by epsilon 0, sigma by epsilon 0, sigma by epsilon 0. For all the 3 cases, results can be applied. And for E outside, you can go for kq by small r square. It's kq by small r square, or you can put this result in the form of it's q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. In each case, q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. Right? So the result can be applied to these 3 cases simultaneously. In each case, electric field inside would be 0. In each case, electric field on the surface, near, very close to the surface, sigma by epsilon 0, and just outside. It's okay, right? This distance usually not much larger as compared to the size of the body, but near, around. It's a kq by r square. It is such that कि सारा चार्ज अगर सेंटर पे कंसंट्रेट होता तो भी यही रिजल्ट होता. So the result can be interpreted for the 3 results. इनको आप न्यूमेरिकल्स और कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन में ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं. राइट? थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.